Thank you for watching Inspire Math videos. Today we're going to study what negative numbers and integers are. Let's review the symbols. 5 plus 2 is a mathematical operation, and we call it 5 plus 2. The meaning of plus is addition. 5 minus 2 is another mathematical operation, and we call it 5 minus 2. The meaning of minus is subtraction. As you can see, math operations are between two numbers. Now let's learn the signs. A sign is placed in front of a number. Plus 2 is not a math operation. Plus is a sign for 2. We call it positive 2. By the way, we often omit the plus sign for positive. So positive 2 and 2 are both positive. The meaning of positive depends on the definition. For example, positive could mean moving to the right, or in some cases could mean to gain something, like money. And minus 2 is not a math operation. Minus is a sign for 2. We call it negative 2. The meaning of negative is the opposite meaning of positive, which was defined before. Now let's see some examples of meanings for negative. The meaning of positive depends on the definition. Once positive is defined, the meaning of negative is just the opposite of the meaning for positive. For example, if positive is defined like this, we can find the meaning of negative. First of all, if positive 5, or simply just 5, means 5 degrees Celsius above 0 degrees Celsius, then negative 5 means 5 degrees Celsius below 0 degrees Celsius. If positive 5, or just 5, means 5 meters above the sea level, then negative 5 means 5 meters below the sea level. If positive 5 means up 5 steps, then negative 5 means down 5 steps. If positive 5 means to gain 5 points, then negative 5 means to lose 5 points. If positive 5 means to deposit $5, then negative 5 means to withdraw $5. If positive 5 means to move 5 kilometers to north, then negative 5 means to move 5 kilometers to south. If positive 5 means to win 5 games, then negative 5 means to lose 5 games. When we talk about negative numbers, we often use a number line. A number line consists of 3 parts: 0 at the center, positive numbers at the right side of the 0, and negative numbers at left side of the 0. A number line normally has labels like positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, positive 4, positive 5, and so on for positive numbers, and negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, and so on for negative numbers. Positive numbers move to the right, and negative numbers move to the left. Examples of positive numbers are 1/2, which is here, 4 2/3, which is here, and 1.3 here. 2.7 is here, and pi is about 3.14, so it will be placed around here. Examples of negative numbers are negative 1/3, which is here, negative 5 1/5, which is here, negative 1.1, which is here, negative 2.4, which is here, negative pi, which is about negative 3.14, will be placed here. Let's look at positive numbers in general. Positive numbers are numbers on the right side of the 0 in the number line. We usually have no sign for positive numbers. You can decide the meaning of positive. Examples of positive numbers are number of winning games, gaining points, earning money, distance to north, and so on. Now let's see negative numbers in general. Negative numbers are numbers on the left side of the zero in the number line. We always have a sign of negative. Negative means the opposite of positive. Examples of negative numbers are number of losing games, losing points, spending money, distance to south, and so on. Zero is neither positive nor negative. Finally, let's talk about natural numbers, whole numbers, and integers. Do you remember what natural numbers are? How do you count naturally? We do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and so on. Those are called natural numbers. Now what about whole numbers? The only difference between natural numbers and whole numbers is 0. Whole numbers start with 0 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Now let's move to integers. Integers consist of whole numbers and negative natural numbers. Negative natural numbers are -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, and so on. So integers are 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on, and -1, -2, -3, and so on. As you can see, natural numbers are part of whole numbers, which are also part of integers. This is formally said as a set of natural numbers is a subset of whole numbers, which is a subset of integers. By the way, a fraction like 1/2 and a decimal like 0.1 are not natural numbers, nor whole numbers, and not integers either. Let's summarize today's lesson. Positive numbers have the sign of positive or no sign. Positive numbers are numbers on the right side of 0 in the number line and indicates the right direction. Meanings of positive varies depending on the situation. Negative numbers have the sign of negative at all times. Negative numbers are numbers on the left side of 0 in the number line and indicates the left direction. Negative means the opposite of positive. 0 is neither positive nor negative. Thank you for watching Inspire Math videos. Please subscribe if you'd like to join our Inspire Math tutoring community. There are some related videos linked below. Thank you and have a good one.